Good morning, class. By the way, I'm Jenicel Eriganan, your teacher for today's lesson. So please stand up and arrange your chairs. And please remain standing for our prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay? Okay. Before we will start our discussion, we will have a game first. The game is called Knowing the Difference. So now, I will show you the picture and identify what are the differences. First is the dog. Second is flower. Okay, I think you really enjoy our game. A while ago in our game, a lot of you observed that the plants and animals is the same. They have a lifespan also. So, they need to be taken care of. So class, can we imagine if we have no life? What will happen to us? Anyone? Yes, that's right. Maybe we are not in this world. So we need to taking care of life that we have. So plants and animals are not really the same. Yes, they have life, but they are not the same. They have a difference. So our topic for today is all about the difference about animal and plant cells structure. So class, what is cells? Okay, cells are the basic unit of a living organism and where all life processes are carried out. So basically, a cell provides a structure for the body. Take and nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized function. So it means the cell's job is to convert nutrients into energy that is coming from the food that the animals and the plants that they ate, so the animals and the plant's body will function. So now, I will discuss the animal and plant cells structure. Animal cells and plant cells share with the common components of a nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria, and a cell membrane. Plant cells have three extra components: a vacuole, chloroplast, and cell wall. So this picture on the board illustrates the structures of both animal and plant cells. I will show you the different structure of animal and plant cells. First, we have the animal cells. Animal cells is a type of eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall and has a true membrane-bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. It has cilia, vacuoles, cell membrane, centrioles, and lysosome. So first is cilia. Cilia function is to move a cell or group of cells or to help to transform fluid and materials past them. The cilia is the one who will prevent the potential harmful microorganisms from entering the body. Next is vacuoles. So vacuoles are generally small and help sequestering waste product. So the job of the vacuoles is to insulate the waste product. Third is cell membrane. The plasma membrane or the cell membrane to provide protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. And the membrane has different functions. One is to transform nutrients into the cell and also to transform toxic substances out of the cell. And the fourth one is centrioles. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the location of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. And the last one is lysosome. Lysosomes are involved with a various cell processes. They break down exist or worn out as cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading bacteria and viruses. Animal cell function gives a cell shape, provides strength, stabilizes tissues, anchors organelles within the cell, and has a role in a cell signaling. It also provides mechanical support and to allow cell to move and divide. Okay class, why are you quiet? Are you with me? Okay, let's proceed. Next is we have a plant cells. They are eukaryotic cells which have a true nucleus along with specialized structures called organelles that carry out different functions. Plant cells have special organelles called chloroplasts which create sugar via photosynthesis. They have also a cell wall that provides structural support. It has vacuole, lysosome, cell wall, cell membrane, chloroplast, and plasmodesmata. First is vacuole. In a plant cell, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Sometimes a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cells. So the vacuole is the one who maintains the balance. And second one is the lysosome. Lysosome, they break down exist or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. If the cell is damaged, beyond repair, lysosome can help it to self-destruct in a process called programmed cell death or apoptosis. In other words, the lysosome helps to destroy viruses and bacteria and also to repair cell. And the third one is cell wall. Cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane of plant cells and provides tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. It also allows to develop which is the pressure of the cell contains against the cell wall. And the fourth one is cell membrane. The plasma membrane or cell membrane provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. And the fifth one is chloroplast. Chloroplast absorbs sunlight and use it in conjunction with water and carbon dioxide gas to produce food for the plant. And the last one is plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata are microscopic channels which traverse the cell wall of plant cells and some alga cells, enabling transport and communication between them. So, are you okay, class? Am I too fast? Okay, let's proceed. So, most of them have the similarities, but now I discuss the differences of both of cells. Major structural differences between animals and plant cells include plant cells have the cell wall, but the animal cells do not. Cell walls provide support and give shape to plants. Plant cells have chloroplasts, but the animal cells do not. You also observe that. Okay? So class, let's see if you really understand our lesson. So let's have a oral recitation. So, what is the difference between the animal and the plant cells? Yes? Okay, very good. How about you give me the structure of animal cells? Yes? Correct. Very good. Now, for your activity, in one whole sheet of paper, Write down the structures of both animal and plant cells. Okay? And for your assignment, draw the animal cell and its structure. Write it in a whole bond paper. Short bond paper. And I think that's all for today. Goodbye, class, and see you next meeting.